how do you live a fulfilled life? How do you live a fulfilled life? To me, it's two things. It's a balance between experiencing and enjoying life and achieving and creating in life. And many of us, and especially in the Western world, we're so focused on achieving and creating and doing and doing and doing and doing. And that's why we're not fulfilled. Because our brain has been programmed to think, what's next, what's next, what's next. We don't even stop and enjoy. Did you enjoy this day that you're alive, that you're breathing, that you're with your family, that you, what you created in your life? Did you enjoy that? If not, you're not going to live a fulfilled life. You know, you can, if you program your mind to always think what's next, you think at a conscious level that you're going to get to a certain place and you'll be good. You're like, oh, I finally made it. I created it. I'm there for what I wanted. But if you programmed your mind to constantly think what's missing, what's wrong, what's next, then no matter how much you create, how much you achieve, you're never going to feel fulfilled because you're programmed your mind to constantly do that. You're always, oh, what's more, what's more, what's more, what's the next thing? Oh, I'm not doing this, I'm not doing this. Honestly, I experienced this in my personal life when I built up a law firm. In 3 years, I built a 7-figure law firm that was run remotely and I could travel anywhere around the world. And this would have been a dream before, right? And I enjoyed it to some extent, but also I felt less fulfilled after I created than before I created, which was amazing. And why? Because I had programmed my mind to think, what's next? What do I got to do next? What do I got to achieve next? Rather than, oh my God, remember why I started this, remember why I created this, and enjoy that. If you feel fulfilled with that, enjoy that, not just let me do the next thing. So that's how you live a fulfilled life. It's really just being fulfilled in the moment each and every day. What I like to do is have a meditation practice where I go in and I just go into stillness and feel calmness, and I channel into my higher power, my higher consciousness and energy, the energetic field, and I feel that. And I acknowledge what I've done. I acknowledge what I've created in the world. And to feel that is how you live a fulfilled life. From an experiential point. But now on the opposite end, you know, I've been to for example, I've been to the Philippines and I see people just sitting around all day and just looking out and doing nothing, right? And, you know, that may be all right for them. I'm not judging that at all. For me, I could do that, but not forever. To me, that wouldn't feel fulfilled. I'd be peaceful and zen and calm, but I wouldn't feel fulfilled. For me, it's a balance of achieving. I love to achieve, and I have an achiever side of me. But if I let the achiever take control, what happens is I won't live a fulfilled life. I'll just be constantly achieving. But if I let that calm, that zen person take control, I'll feel content and happy and calm. But after a while, I'm going to have this itching to create and generate and make an impact and create something somewhere. So for me, it's a balance between the two. Don't let either one take full control. Live in balance and harmony. And sometimes the Zen takes control, and that's on a daily basis. That's on an hourly basis, really. That's on a weekly, monthly basis. Sometimes you may take a week off and you just go into Zen, right? And sometimes you might spend a whole week and you're just focused on achieving. But really on a daily basis and even, hourly basis and whatnot, going into both, playing into both. What am I achieving? Let's feel fulfilled and enjoy. And balancing and waving in between the two, I think, is how you can live the most fulfilling life possible. So I hope that helps. Give us a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you agree, disagree, what your thoughts are. Thank you.